Hello everyone, this is Shabaz here. Welcome to Testput MBA Prep. Today we are going to discuss about current affairs. So in this lecture we are going to cover all the important questions from March 2021. So whatever important current affairs which we expect that it will come in the examination. So we have already started many courses for the TISNET, CMAT, SSC and many other exams. And you have already seen my previous lectures also, where we have discussed many general science related topic. But now today we are going to discuss about the March current affairs. Here in this lecture, we will discuss about all the MCQs which were asked in the previous examination, which were important, and also there is a chance of asking in the upcoming examination also. So please go through all these MCQs. They are very important. Okay, and there is a high chance of asking in the many exam which are coming now. So let's begin our lecture without any delay. So let's move on to the first question. The Frontier Gandhi, My Life and Struggle is an English translation of the autobiography of which freedom fighter? Okay. So actually this part comes from the static GK. Because if you see the general knowledge section of any competitive exams, like you consider TISNET or SSC, so there are some percentage of questions which come from the static GK. So you cannot ignore the static GK also, friends. Okay, this is very important question, and your options are Muhammad Ali Jinnah, Vallabhbhai Patel, Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan, and C. Raja Gopala Chari. Okay. What is the correct answer? I think many of you people know the correct answer. Who is the Frontier Gandhi? The answer will be Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. Okay. The autobiography of freedom fighter Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan, titled The Frontier Gandhi, My Life and Struggle, has been released. Okay. Next, which animal was recently listed as a critically endangered in the IUCN Red List? See, sometimes what happen in TISNET, the examiner will ask the question which are related to the species, right? And which are related to the endangered animal. So you should also know about that one. Okay. So the options are red panda, African wild dog, large Indian civet, and African forest elephant. Which animal was recently listed as critically endangered in the IUCN Red List? And your answer will be African forest elephant. So recently, due to the extreme poaching, what happened? The population of African forest elephants and African savanna elephants also has been fell down to 86% and 66% respectively. See, IUCN is organization, so which will have come out with the one scale, IUCN Red List scale. So first, initially, it will have least concern, next near threatened, critically endangered, vulnerable, and extinct. Clearly understand? So these are the scale. According to the scale and according to the existence of the animal, they will classified according to the separate categories. So previously we have seen African forest elephant was not in the critically endangered. But now, due to the population which was fell down by 86% in last 31 years, and this savanna elephant has fallen down by the 60% in last 50 years, they automatically come into the critically endangered. So now it's a high time to save this kind of animals so that it cannot go into the extinct category now. Okay. So let's move on to the next question. UN Zero Discrimination Day is annually observed across the globe on 1st March. So what is the symbol of zero discrimination? Is it a butterfly? Is it a dove? Is it equal sign or a olive branch? A very important question, because this kind of question which are related to the gender equality, discrimination, women empowerment, it's a very attractive for the examiner, friends. Okay, they will definitely ask this kind of question, at least one in the competitive examination. So here the zero discrimination, obviously, which are related to all the categories of the people, including LGBTQ and women's, etc. So what is the symbol for this zero discrimination? Because recently United Nations also declared this annually, zero discrimination day, and the answer will be butterfly. Okay, and you can also see the symbol here, and you can also see the colors which are included. Okay, this is a symbol for the LGBTQ community. As a sign of transformation is a symbol of zero discrimination. Clearly remembered? Let's move on to the next question. Which organization annually celebrates the Old Poetry Day across the globe on the 21st of the March? So, which is the organization? Here, the organization is name asking, okay, not the day. So, which celebrate Old Poetry Day across the globe on 21st March? First one is Old Literacy Day. Second one is Association of Writers and Writing Programs. Third one is UNESCO. And fourth one is International Literacy Association. Okay. The answer will be UNESCO. So many people will confuse between Old Literacy Foundation and UNESCO. Because here you can see the Old Poetry Day, so obviously it was related to some literature or some literacy. So many people will go for this Old Literacy Foundation. But the correct answer is UNESCO. So UNESCO will celebrate the Old Poetry Day every year on the March 21 across the globe. Very important because these are the static days you need to remember. And in examination, there is 100% sure that only one or two questions will ask from this days. Okay, important days. The next question will be, what is the rank of India in the International Intellectual Property Index 2021, which is released by the US Chamber of Commerce Global Innovation Policy Center. Okay. So very important because we should all know the rank of India, which were released by the many index by the international organization. So the options are 40, 28, 35 or 51. The correct answer will be 40. Okay. 40 is the answer, and India. So, can anybody tell which country is ranked first in the Intellectual Property Index 2021? This is up to you. It's a homework for you. Okay, but India rank is 40 among 53 global companies. So let's move on. Which team has been ranked top in the test rankings released by the ICC, International Cricket Council? England, Australia, India, and Pakistan. Okay. So those who are listening, the cricket lovers, may know the answer about that. Okay. So see, watching the cricket is not important, but how many questions you can get from the watching cricket, that is very important. So which team has been ranked top in the test ranking released by the ICC? England, Australia, India, or Pakistan? The correct answer will be our country, India. Team India has reclaimed the top spot in the latest ICC team test team rankings. Okay, can you please tell me what is the headquarter of ICC, International Cricket Council? It's in Dubai. Okay, remember. Let's move on. The Global Wind Report 2021, which is released by Global Wind Energy Council. Where is the headquarter of Global Wind Energy Council located? Very, very important question, because this kind of reports which were released recently in 2021 plays a very important role, which describes about the ecology, environment of our old friends. Okay, not only different countries, they will give the reports how we are going to progress, because these are reports which is causing by post pandemic results. So the options will be London, United Kingdom, Paris, France, Brussels, Belgium, Vienna, or Austria, sorry, not Australia. The correct option will be Brussels, Belgium. So Global Wind Report 2021 has been released by the Global Wind Energy Council. The headquarter of the Global Wind Energy Council is located in Brussels, Belgium. Clear? Next, move on. So which film won the Best Motion Picture Drama Award at the Golden Globe Awards 2021? Very famous movie. Even I also watched this movie. So the options are Promising Young Woman, Mank, The Trial of the Chicago 7, or Nomadland. The correct option will be Nomadland. So Nomadland has won the Best Motion Picture Drama Award, and the Best Director Award went to director Chloe Zhao, okay, making her second woman ever to win the award. It's a Golden Globe Awards 2021. Remember, this is also a very important question because one or two questions come from the awards and honors also. Okay. Next, Matam Venkatrao has been recently appointed as new managing director and CEO of which bank? Is it a Bank of India? Is it a Punjab National Bank? Is it a Canara Bank or Central Bank of India? Okay. So this kind of questions mostly asked in the banking examinations. Okay, because one or two questions they will ask from the appointments also. So recent appointment which has been done from the last 6 months, from January to, we can calculate the 6 months till August. So they will ask about all the important appointments. So the recently, the Matam Venkatrao has been recently appointed as a new managing director of Central Bank of India. This is also very important. Let's move on. So, which Indian boxer has been appointed as a chairperson of AIBA Champion and Veteran Committee? Clear? The options are Mary Kom, Vikas Krishnan, Vijendra Singh, and Amit Panghal. The correct option will be Mary Kom. The Indian boxer Mary Kom has been appointed as a chairperson of the International Boxing Association Champions and Veteran Committee. This is also a very important question because it is also a recent appointment. Okay. So till now we have gone through two appointments. One is related to the banking and other related to the International Boxing Association. Okay, which is related to the sports athletics. Next, which actor has won the best performers by the actor male in a motion picture drama at 78th Golden Globe Awards 2021? So this is very famous name. So many people remember this name, I think. So the options will be Daniel. Next will be Mark Ruffalo. C is Sacha Baron Cohen and D is Chadwick Boseman. The correct answer will be Chadwick Boseman. The Chadwick Boseman has won the best performance by an actor male in a motion picture drama, which is awarded at 78th Global, Golden Globe Awards 2021. Remember, Chadwick Boseman is the answer. Okay. So please go through these questions are very important because while reading only or while seeing this lecture only, you try to remember. So please go through these questions are very important because while reading only or while seeing this lecture only, you try to remember that so that you cannot take the separate time again to study and all. Because these are very easy questions and I'm going very slowly so that you can also follow up me up. Okay. Next, which state government has collaborated with IBM to provide free skills training to the youth? Because nowadays governments are mainly focusing on the developing the skills in youth so that they can get many jobs in our country. So many of the private sector companies are also collaborating with the governments so that they can provide a skill training program to the many youth which are unemployed so that they can get employed in many of the companies. So the options are Assam, UP, Goa, and Sikkim. So I will repeat the question. Which state government has collaborated with IBM to provide free skills training to the youth? The options are Assam, UP, Goa, and Sikkim. The correct option will be Goa. So the Goa government has collaborated with the IBM to provide free skills training to the youth. Let's move on to the next question. So which university has topped the QS Old University Ranking 2021? This is about rankings, friends. Okay. So from this section also, you will get one or two questions. See, here only you can cover all the important questions which are, asked in the upcoming examination. We have covered all the appointments. We have covered all the awards. Okay. We have covered all, important rankings also. The options are Stanford University, University of Cambridge, University of Oxford, or MIT. Right. And the correct answer will be MIT, that is United States, has retained its top position as the best university for the 9th time. Okay. So according to the QS Old University rankings, MIT, has a top position for the 9th time. Next, which film has won the Best Feature Film Award at 67th National Film Awards for 2019? Okay, again, we have come again to the awards. First is Manikarnika, the Queen of Jhansi. Second one is Marakkar, the Lion of the Arabian Sea. Third one is Jallikattu, and fourth is Helen. Here, I think you know the answer here by seeing this picture. The correct option will be Marakkar. The Lion of Arabian Sea, which won the Best Feature Film Award at 67 National Film Awards for 2019. So actually, it's a Malayalam movie. So have you seen this movie? It's very awesome, which is starring by Mohan Lal. It's a Malayalam famous actor in South, and it's the story depends upon the famous freedom struggle that Marakar, who has fight against the Portuguese. Okay, you find this movie in the Netflix also. Very interesting movie. Many actors you can see here. So let's move on to the next question. Which city has emerged as a top city in the Ease of Living Index 2020 in the million plus category? So which city has emerged as a top city in the Ease of Living Index? Not of ease of doing business. Okay, don't confuse with the ease of doing business and ease of living index. Both are different. Both parameters are different. I am talking about ease of living index 2020. The options are Chennai, Bangalore, Ahmedabad, or Pune. The correct option will be Bangalore. It's our city. So apart from Bangalore, Shimla is also top the ease of living index 2020. So this index is released by Union Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. Very important. Sometimes they will also ask about the ministry and about the indexes. So this index was released by which ministry or ease of doing business who released? Okay, India Innovation Index released by which institute or which organization? So this kind of questions is also very important. Okay. So remember the ministry along with the city also. Next, which Indian university has emerged the best institution in the 11th edition of QS Old University Rankings? So just now we have seen the university in the old wide. Now it is talking about the Indian university which was emerged as the best institution in the QS Old University Rankings. The correct answer will be IIT Mumbai. Okay, the IIT Bombay or Mumbai, whatever you can say, it's emerged as a best institution in the QS World University Rankings. Next, which is the best year for wind industry according to the Global Wind Report? Okay, clear? Which is the best year for wind industry? So whatever the energy we are producing through the wind. So what is the best year for the wind industry according to the Global Wind Report 2021? The correct option will be 2020, and last year. The 2020 was the best year in the history for the global wind industry. So according to the report, because in this year we have produced about 93 gigawatt of new capacity installed and 53% year-on increase has happened. Understood? 93 gigawatt of new capacity is installed, and in that year we have the production we will see 53% has been increased when compared to the previous year. Next question, name the Indian celebrity who has been chosen as the recipient of FIAF. Okay, it's nothing but International Federation of Film Archive. So it is asking about the Indian celebrity who has been chosen as a recipient of the FIAF. The options are Anupam Kher, Priyanka Chopra, Amitabh Bachchan, or Akshay Kumar. So the correct option will be none other than Amitabh Bachchan ji. Okay, the Bollywood megastar Amitabh Bachchan ji has been chosen as a recipient of the prestigious 2021 by International Federation of Film Archives. This is also a very important question to be remembered. Okay, let's move on. What is the theme of the International Women's Day? See friends, many of the examination, if you see the previous year question papers, so one or two questions are asked from the themes also. Okay, at least one question will come from the theme, which will be very important, from the last 6 months. So like International Women's Day is also very important, right? And you should remember the theme. So the options are Equal Future Challenge, Women in Leadership, Choose to Challenge, or option C will be Women in Leadership, Achieving an Equal Future in COVID-19 World. And option D is Women Achieving an Equal Future in COVID-19 World. Okay, both I think Equal Future and Achieving an Equal Future. So there is a little bit difference in that. Okay. So the correct option will be Women Leadership Achieving a Equal Future in COVID-19 World. This is a very important question to be noted down. Okay, and remember the theme of this International Women's Day 2021. And can you please tell me when this International Women's Day is celebrated? This is a homework for you. Okay, and President Ramnath Kovind has laid down the foundation stone for the conservation works of Singorgarh Fort in which state? Recently, our President Ramnath Kovind has laid down the foundation stone for the conservation work. Okay, so the states are Gujarat, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, or Madhya Pradesh. The correct answer will be MP. So many of the people will go blindly for the Rajasthan because many of the forts you can find in Rajasthan and Gujarat area. But here the option will be MP. The president, that is Madhya Pradesh. The president has laid down the foundation stone for the conservation work of Singorghar Fort in Singrampur village of the Damau district, MP. Okay. So let's move on to the next question. India's first toy cluster will be set up in which state? This is very important point to be noted down because it's the first toy cluster which is coming in our India and it is going to set up in which state? The options are Karnataka, Maharashtra, Rajasthan or Gujarat. The correct option will be Karnataka. Okay. Aquas Private Limited developing a 400-acre of India's first toy cluster at Kuppal in Karnataka. Actually, it is in small town, small city in Karnataka. So, which caused an investment of $500 million. Clear? Karnataka is the first state having a Toyota cluster which is going to set up now. Next, who has won the BBC Indian Sportswoman of the Year award for 2021? Now, awards and honors again. So the options will be Vinesh Phogat, Koneru Hampi, Dute Chand and Rani Rampal. The correct option will be Koneru Hampi. So the world rapid chess champion Koneru Hampi has won the BBC Indian Sportswoman of the Year award for 2021. It was recently in news also. I think you have seen. Okay. And the next question will be, what is the rank of India in the Economic Freedom Index 2021, which is released by the Heritage Foundation? Okay. This is also very important. Again, rankings we are going to talking about. Okay. So what is the rank of India in Economic Freedom Index, which is released by Heritage Foundation? The options are 148, 156, 121 or 101. The correct option will be 121. So it's actually the rank when compared to the old world. If you see the rank of India in the Asia Pacific, the India rank will be 26th. Okay, remember that one also. So the Economic Freedom Index 21, the rank of India in the Asia Pacific region is 26. Well, if you have seen the overall, then it is 121. And what is the score for that? 56.5 points out of 100. And India is put under mostly unfree category. Let's move on to the next question. Who is the author of the book titled Names of the Women? The options are Jeet Tail, Vikram Seth, Salman Rushdie or Shashi Tharoor. Okay. The correct option will be Jeet Tail. So the book title, The Names of the Women, was authored by the Jeet Tail. And can you please tell me what is a famous book which is written by the Vikram Seth? On that one movie is also made which is available in Netflix. Okay. The option is, the answer is, I'm not going to give any options now. Lot of options we have seen. So Suitable Boy. Have you seen? It's a very good movie in Netflix. A Suitable Boy, which was written by the Vikram Seth only. Okay. And Shashi Tharoor wrote many books, and Salman Rushdie also recently the languages. I think some new book has been released by the Salman Rushdie also. But the famous novel, which was made a movie on the Suitable Boy, was written by the Vikram Seth. Remember that one. Okay. Let's move on. Which bank has launched the range of wearable contactless payment devices under brand Wear and Pay? The options are Canara Bank, SBI, Axis Bank, and HDFC Bank. So, which bank has launched the wearable contactless payment devices? The correct option will be Axis Bank. The name of these devices comes under the brand of Wear and Pay. Next question will be, who was honored with the 51st Dada Saheb Phalke Award? Then again awards and honors. The option will be Rajinikanth, Irfan Khan, Rishi Kapoor or Salman Khan. The correct option will be here is Rajinikanth. So the legendary Indian actor Rajinikanth will be honored with the 51st Dada Saheb Phalke Award for the outstanding contribution to the Indian cinema. Remember, this is very important. The national awards, Padma Vibhushan, Padma Bhushan, Saraswati Samman awards, these are very important for the examinations. So this time the 51st Dada Saheb Phalke Award was given to the Rajinikanth, who has been appointed as a new chief statistician of the Indian. Okay. The option will be Ratan Chand, Sridhar Srivastav, G.P. Samanta or Prabir Chaudhary. The correct option will be Dr. G.P. Samanta. He has been appointed for the period of 2 years as a new chief statistician of the India. This is very also important. Again, we are going to discuss about the appointments. Next, India's largest floating solar plant will come up which state? Is it Maharashtra, Gujarat, Goa, or Telangana? The correct option will be Telangana because their state-run power generator (NTPC) is set to unveil the country largest floating solar plant of 100 megawatt capacity at Ramagundam in Telangana. So remember the place also, friends, because place also very important. Sometimes they will also ask about the location. Okay. So Ramagundam in Telangana is coming up with the largest floating solar plant of 100 megawatt capacity. Next, move on. Who has been appointed as a brand ambassador of Glenmark Pharma? Okay, again, appointments. So, brand ambassador of Glenmark Pharma is Kuldeep Yadav or Ishan Sharma or Rohit Sharma and Suresh Raina. These are the options for you. I think most of the people don't know. The correct option will be Rohit Sharma because Rohit Sharma has officially signed to represent Glenmark, Candid powder. So this powder will be recommended by many doctors for the people who are, having wounds and etc. So it's a legacy brand of the company's consumer care division. So for that recently, Rohit Sharma has been appointed as a brand ambassador for this Glenmark. Okay. Next, the Amazonia 1 satellite has launched by ISRO on board on PSLV CS-51. This Amazonia 1 satellite belongs to which country? Is it Russia? Is it Brazil? Is it Argentina or United States? Okay. The correct option will be Brazil. Okay. The PSLV C-51 was used to launch 19 payloads, which included 630 kg of, which in total weight will be 637 kg. And its primary passenger and 18 other co-passenger satellites will be included in that. This is also very important. And recently, I have seen the SpaceX has also launched a new, cargo capsule that is called Dragon cargo capsule for the International Space Station. From which rocket? It's a Falcon 9 rocket. Remember, that is also a very important question. Okay, let's move on. Next question will be the Union Cabinet has approved changes to the Insurance Act 1938 for increasing the FDI limit to which percent from present 49%. Okay. So the Insurance Act, they have made some changes so that the FDI limit can be increased from 49% to the 74%. Remember, this is also very important. These are all static questions which are directly asked. So Union Cabinet has approved changes to Insurance Act from which percent to dash percent, like that they will ask. Okay. Next, the Prime Minister has inaugurated the Maitri Setu Bridge to strengthen the connectivity with which country? Is it Maldives, Bangladesh, Nepal or Sri Lanka? The correct option will be Bangladesh because both of the Prime Minister of both countries have inaugurated this bridge through video conferences. Okay, and it plays a very important role in our diplomatic relation with the Bangladesh country. So remember the Maitri Setu Bridge connecting the two countries. One is India, another one is Bangladesh. So who has won the Album of the Year award at Grammy Awards 2021? The options are Folklore, Black Pumas, Chilombo or Everyday Life. I will again repeat who has won the Album of the Year award at Grammy Awards 2021. The correct option will be Folklore. The Taylor Swift album Folklore has won the Album of the Year award at Grammy Awards 2021. Next, which trophy has won the domestic cricket tournament Vijay Hazare Trophy 2020-21? Okay, so which team actually has won the domestic cricket tournament? So is it UP, Mumbai, Railways or Baroda? So those who are which trophy? Folklore. The Taylor Swift album for which trophy has won the domestic? The Taylor Swift album Folklore has won the Album of the Year award at Grammy Awards 2021. Next, which trophy has won the domestic cricket tournament Vijay Hazare Trophy 2020-21? Okay, so which team actually has won the domestic cricket tournament? So is it UP, Mumbai, Railways or Baroda? So those who are cricket lovers now, I think they have answered this question. The correct answer will be Mumbai. Okay, so the Mumbai has won the tournament to take their fourth title actually by beating UP by the 6 wickets in the Vijay Hazare Trophy. Next, which country has stopped the old happiness report? Is it Singapore? Is it Germany, Finland, or Norway? So, which country has stopped the old happiness report? So, before we discuss about the top country, can you tell me what is the rank of India in the old happiness report? Anybody? So, we are, way behind back. So, the our rank of India in old happiness report is 139 out of 141 countries. And the country which is top is Finland. For the fourth consecutive year, the Finland has been the top in the list of World Happiness Report 2021. Next, who has been appointed as a brand ambassador of Doritos? Is it Karthik Aryan, Tiger Shroff, or Ranbir Kapoor, or Varun Dhawan? The Doritos, it's a cheap brand, I think. Okay, the correct option will be Karthik, Aryan. Doritos is the India's #1 nacho chip brand, which is enlisted as Bollywood actor Karthik Aryan as the first ever brand ambassador in India. You have already seen and eat also, right? Doritos. Next, who has facilitated the Gandhi Peace Prize for the year 2020? So again, awards. So please be remembered, this is very important award and this is very important prize. And the options are Sulabh International, A.T. Ariyaratne, Yogi Sasakawa, and Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. So Gandhi Peace Prize for the year 2020 has been given to the Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. The Baga Bandhu is the title, okay, and sometimes they were also called, Baga Bandhu title has given to the which, famous personality. The option will be Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. So, what is the rank of India in terms of military force strength as per the report, Ultimate Military Strength Index? Okay, so if you see this military strength index, they are asking about the rank of India. Which rank the India stands for the military force. The correct option will be 4th rank. Okay, and this index released by the Ultimate Military Strength by the defense website Military Direct. Okay. So who will release defense website Military Direct? This is also very important point to be noted down. And which film has won the best Hindi film award at 67th National Awards 2021? Very good movie. Even I too watched that movie also, and we still remember our famous actor in that, Sushant Singh Rajput. I think till now you got an idea. The correct answer will be Chichore. Okay, the Chichore, which was starred late actor Sushant Singh Rajput, was judged as a best Hindi film at the 67th National Film Awards 2021. Let's move on. So, what is the title of official song of the ICC Women's World Cup 2022? Is it a girl gang, female gang, lady gang, or a pink gang? What is the title of the official song of the ICC Women's World Cup 2022? The option is Girl Gang. The Girl Gang track by New Zealand singer, her name is Jing Wigmore, has been announced the official song of the 2022 ICC Women's World Cup. So next question, who has been ranked as a top billionaire in the Hurun Global Rich list of 2021? So none other than, okay, I will not announce his name, I'll just take it with the name. The options will be Bernard or Jeff Bezos, Elon Musk, or Bill Gates. Okay, my famous personality, my famous person is Elon Musk. Tesla chief Elon Musk has bogged, top spot in the 10th edition of the Hurun Global Rich list for the first time. Okay, this edition will be 10th edition, but Elon Musk has been listed for the first time in the Hurun Global Rich. Okay. Next question, the sports minister Kiran Rijiju has included which game in Khelo India Youth Games 2021? This is also very important because this is the first time that one game has been included in 2021 this year. The options are Yogasana, kite fighting, gilli danda, or leg cricket. The correct option will be Yogasana. Okay, in order to promote the yoga in all members along with the youth people, so they have included into this India Youth Games 2021. Okay. And Yogasana in Khelo India in a bid to develop as a competitive sport. Next, World Development Report 2021 has been released by which organization? Very, very important because the reports which are released by the international organization are directly asked in the examination. The options are World Bank, World Economic Forum, or UNCTAD, or IMF. The correct option will be World Bank. the old development report 2021 has been released by Old Bank, and the title will be Data for Better Lives. Okay. Next question. What is the theme of the Old Water Day 2021? The options are ocean and climate, water and climate change, leaving no one behind, or valuing water. Okay. The correct option will be valuing water. Remember, and it's celebrated every year on 22nd March. The themes are very important. Just now we have studied about the theme for the International Women Day also. So, which film has won the Best Film Award at 66th Filmfare Awards for the year 2021? Is it Ludo, Thappad, or Tanaji, or Angrezi Medium? Which film has won the Best Film Award at the 66th Filmfare Awards? The correct option will be Thappad, which is starring by the Taapsee Pannu. A very good movie is this. So it will describe about the seriousness of the woman. If she considers something, then how the actions will be go on. You can see the movie; it's very important. And Anubhav Sinha is the director. Thappad recorded most wins in the 7 trophies and the Best Film Award at the 66th Filmfare Awards for the year 2021. Okay. Next, who has been awarded as Saraswati Samman 2020? The correct option will be Sharan Kumar, Vasudev Mohi, K. Shiva Reddy, or Shitanshu Yash Chandra. The correct option will be Sharan Kumar. So he is a Marathi writer. Dr. Sharan Kumar Limbhale has been selected for the Saraswati Samman 2020. Let's move on. So this is about the end of this lecture. So if you want to get this PDF of this entire lecture, you can download our Testput app. There you can have an access for this PDF. You can go through it. We have discussed all the important questions which were asked in March, including awards and honors, appointments, right, brand ambassadors, and national awards, Saraswati Samman awards. Everything we have discussed here. So at least this time the examiner will ask more than 2 to 4 questions from this PDF which we have provided. So please download our Testput app and download this PDF and go through it. So this is the end of our lecture. So we will meet you in another lecture with another important topics. Till then, bye, take care, stay safe and stay healthy. Thank you so much.